Hello friend, today I am going to show you a quick one unboxing of scientific calculator. So here it is. It is the scientific calculator which is made by the Casio company, and its function number is FX991PS Plus. It is a very useful calculator for a student who is studying in the +2 levels or higher. This is a 2-way power, solar and battery, both you can use on this calculator, and it's a very fantastic calculator. I am purchased from my local market, and let's see how it looks like. So here it is. You will find the manual guide and calculator. So first I keep this calculator from this side, and I am showing you first that this is a manual guide in different languages. It is given, it's in English, and other languages are given. So which country are you from, you can read this, which one of it belongs to your country. So that's it, it's English. So I will be use this for taking information about this calculator. And let's see how it looks like. For opening, you need to press on this bottom of this calculator and push ahead. So when I push this, it will be click a sound called push sound, and you can open this. And there is something written here, like you can watch that. There is given a shift and mode, how to set up on these different types of modes. So I am putting this on the back of the calculator, and here it is a compact calculator. And for turning on, you need to just tap on the on button, and after on this, you can able to see that here it is display, and you can type different types of fraction, like this type of, you can type here in upper and also in lower, like, and you can multiply, and it will give you the accurate value. So it's a very useful calculator for our students, and many of the students don't know that how to turn off this calculator. So you need to just press the shift key and then AC, and it will be show the boot animation called Casio, and it will be turned off. So it's a basic quick review and unboxing of this calculator. So if you want to buy this calculator from Amazon, I am giving the link in the description below. After going there, you can get the discount of this calculator. So that's much guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.